10:43 a.m. Eastern Daylight.
Dad, what the fuck?
Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Ontario.
Oh shit!
a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. Environment Canada
No!
issued a tornado warning for southwestern Ontario. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Kitchener, Cambridge, region of
If
Waterloo,
threatening weather
Oxford,
approaches.
and Brent.
Shit!
Environment
Oh,
meteorologists
fuck!
are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado.
Intense rainfall are also
Oh no! What are you doing? Oh fuck!
threatening weather approaches.
Take cover immediately. If threatening weather
Large hail and
approaches,
locally
please
intense
consult
rainfall
local
are
media
also
for more
possible.
information.
Take
The
cover
programming.
immediately. If threatening
Oh, I missed
weather
it.
approaches, please consult local media for more information.
Oh my god, no!
That was a message from the Canadian National
Fucking
Public
hell!
Health System. Now, back to our regular programming.
I broke it! What? Are you kidding me? No, this is a no! No! Okay, we gotta get ready now! Here it is! The SV! Hello, Mr. Eaton!
A severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for Toronto, Halton,
That's us! Leticus finally went! Hey, Atlantic!
Hey,
Okay, I'll count that. I'll count it. I'll count it. I'll count this. I'll count this. Tornado warning for Guelph right now. FM time.
County, Kitchener, Cambridge, and region.
Simon Station.
Localities are included in the warning: Guelph, Erin, Southern Wellington County, Kitchener, Cambridge.
Localities are included in the warning.
Tornado warning for Guelph. It extended.
Tracking a severe
Kitchener,
thunderstorm.
Cambridge, and region of Waterloo. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a
Please
tornado.
consult local media for
Damaging
more
winds,
information.
large hail, and locally intense rainfall are also possible.
10 to 20
Take cover
millimeters.
immediately if threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information.
That was a message from the Canadian National Public Alerting System.
Oh,
now,
we gotta get
back
ready.
to our regular programming.
Crap. Yep. We'll tell Steve. TV. Oh crap! I forgot it's not there. Forget that. Forget this. I'm going to Radio Garden for this. Okay, I don't want to care if I'm gonna be goddamn copyrighted. But I think we have the unleash of what the heck.
Approaches.
Flash.
No. Extra care and attention
There goes
should
Flash.
be exercised in and around.
Canadian National Public Alerting System. Now, back to our regular programming.
Dom, do you have Bell TV by any chance?
I used to have a Bell TV in the living room, but my parents took it upstairs. I'll do this! Freaking hell! Let me take my HH with me. I'm gonna do it. It's meal for us. Yeah.
thunderstorm warning at 11:22 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Saturday, August 17th.
Oh! Oh God! Oh shoot! Oh God! That's not what I planned.
That's a tornado watch.
Tornado watch. Oh my God! I caught it. Oh crap! What the fuck?
Halton Hills. Milton. Shit, Halton Hills
Wait, what?
isn't me, is it?
Yeah. Okay.
No, that's not us.
Forecast for Western Lake Ontario.
Oh wait, but
Idiot.
Saturday, August 17th.
okay. That's my first tornado watch on my phone. I mean, no. I meant to say 20. That's the first. There goes the WR120 for the TOA. Oh my God.
7,000.
I did not mean to do that. Why? Please shut up. What a way. What the heck? He don't become a ghost. Okay, how come it didn't register on my recording? But I'm trying to eat. Being warned again. He didn't do. Okay, he's on. Oh, let's fail again. Fall in Toronto.
Yeah, of course.
Well, guess what my Eton had to decide to do?
What did they do?
My Eton didn't do 1050 hertz. Lovely.
So, therefore...
Sweet Jesus, help me. Now it's Oshawa again. What the hell? That was gonna come. Why you do this to me? Why you do this to me? Hey, why you do this, Eton? You failed. You just failed the activation. That's the second fail for you. God damn it! Why? I don't think this ends. This doesn't end. Now this is new. Okay, we're back. There goes a weather bulletin again. Niagara Falls. Freaking Christ, you talk like freaking damn freaking Aegis phone! I guess it continues now. Phenomenons.